Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into managing intellectual property projects using Zoho Project. This is your full 2025 guide on how to effectively manage your IP projects, so let's get started. First off, go ahead and create a new project in Zoho. Click on the New Project button, name it, and provide a brief description. This is your foundational step. Your project name should clearly reflect what your IP project is about. It helps in quickly identifying and managing your project in the future. Now that we've done that, it's time to add tasks. Navigate to the Tasks tab and start adding tasks relevant to your project. You might have tasks like file patent, trademark research, and so forth. The reason we do this is to break down our IP project into manageable parts. It provides a clear roadmap of what needs to be done and helps in tracking progress. Next up, assign team members to these tasks. Click on Assign Task and select the appropriate team member. This step is crucial as it delegates responsibility, ensuring every task has a person accountable for its completion. It also helps to make sure your team members know exactly what they need to do and when. This brings us to the Milestones feature. Set milestones for your project to mark significant stages. These could be dates for filing patents, meeting with attorneys, or finalizing designs. This helps us because milestones give a timeline and set expectations for the team. They act as goals that motivate the team to complete their tasks on time. Lastly, use the Gantt chart feature. This visual tool shows your project timeline, tasks, and milestones in a simple, easy-to-understand way. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. The Gantt chart helps in tracking the progress of your project. It provides an overall view of your project, showing what tasks are completed, what's in progress, and what's coming up next. In conclusion, managing IP projects in Zoho Project isn't difficult. It's all about setting up your project correctly, adding tasks, assigning them to your team, setting milestones, and keeping an eye on the progress with the Gantt chart. That's all for today's guide on managing intellectual property projects in Zoho Project. Remember, the key to successful project management is organization and clear communication. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.